In this video, I will show you how to hide game activity on Discord mobile. First thing you want to do, click on Discord, and then click on your profile, and then click at the settings, and then click on content and social, and then you want to scroll down till you see server settings. It looks like this, and now you have to click over here and make sure you don't have all servers selected. You have to select one server at a time. See, I'm gonna select this server, and then I can see activity status, and then I can turn it off. Now I'm hiding my game activity. If you select all servers, this will not show you the activity status. So you have to do this individually for every server. So I'm gonna do this for this one. I turn it off, and then I'm gonna have to go to the next server. I'm gonna turn it off, then the next server, then turn it off. You have to do this separately. There's no straightforward way to do it for all servers. I know it's a little annoying, but that's how to do it. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.